Hey everybody, welcome to the daily recap for November 14, 2022. Let's take a look at what we got going on today. A couple different things. So we came into the market, we're leaning a little bit more on the bullish side. We were thinking more so consolidation today, or I was at least, from a technical standpoint. Obviously at the end of the day, we did get a little bit of a pullback there, but some decent trades that we did today. So on the equity side this morning, we came in, we grabbed a little bit of Tesla long for about a point. We ended up grabbing it again long intraday. And we got a nice little about 6 point move to the upside on that one, so that was pretty good. W grabbed long this morning for 1.5 points to the upside from 41.53 is actually 2.5 points now that I'm looking at it. CBNA, we were in this one long at the lows, and then we tried adding into it. Basically ended up being a flat trade. I ended up having just to exit that one for a little bit of a loss there, so kind of a meh, not whatever, like a whatever trade. BHVN. We're in this one for about 30 cents to the upside. That was okay. Small little trade there, nothing major. mRNA was the big equity trade we had today. We took it long this morning at the 177.20 area. Got it into the 184 spot. Sorry, not 177.20. From the 176 level into the 184 spot for 8 points on that one to the upside. We tried some Apple short this morning. Ended up not really going anywhere, so we exited that position for a little loss as well. This PDSB long for about 20 cents. That was okay. And then lastly, we had, that's actually it on the equity side. So a couple decent trades there, nothing major, but mRNA and Tesla were good. On the option side, we came in today. Lilly sold off this morning. We ended up grabbing this one long on that pullback, which I thought was a fantastic trade. Someone pretty decent size on it. And that one ended up being over a 100% on that one. What was it exactly? It was 133% on that, so that was pretty good. We did a little bit of the Netflix 315s. We actually ended up rolling Netflix a couple times. We had the 320s. Those ended up working good for about 50%. We had the Netflix 315 calls, 198% on those. $2 call that went up 4 points. That was nice. We had the Fucho 50 calls today, right out the gate. Rode those all day for over 100% on that. CLVS, we had these at the 50-cent calls right when it started to pop. Got them at 2 cents. They ended up getting out of most of them at 4 cents, so 100% trade on that. Nothing too major, though. A couple hundred contracts. It worked out pretty nice. Geo, 9 calls for 76%. That worked out okay as well. And then we did some SPX scalps intraday where we took some puts at the end of the day there. We tried the bounce on the calls, got a little bit of a move there. We had some SPX calls as well on some of the curls intraday. And overall, pretty good day, though, on the option side and the equity side. For what it was, we didn't have a ton of range, but ended up kind of scraping the barrel, making some money there. We'll see what happens tomorrow. Should be a busy one. We do have PPI data tomorrow, so that's going to be big. Obviously, market's still a little extended from Friday and last week's move. And we'll see if this bullish consolidation can hold up and get a continuation push back towards that 411 area on the upside, which is the downtrend on the daily. Anyways, guys, that's it. Thanks for watching. Have a good one, and I will talk to you all later. See you tomorrow.